Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one today. In fact, the day's not quite over yet, so no, your eyes are not deceiving you. That candle is still changing because there's still a few minutes before the day closes. But as far as what I'm going to talk about from the technical point of view, I can get this video rolling here and get the analysis recorded so I can get it out as soon as possible. But I don't mean to state the obvious. Monster movement, and like I said, the movement is still continuing, and then you look down here at the volume, and this monster price movement is occurring on monster volume. So in other words, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. We say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could say up above 20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 20, I'm not saying the entire chart's epically destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a massive sign of power moving forward. Next level of support after that would be that former breakout point, and that sits down here at the 1890 mark. So let's just round it up to the round number of 19. So that makes it $20 and then $19 to the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here is how I'm defining, quote unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 20 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, they don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price keeps on chipping away and building these higher bases, or if you want to envision those as stair steps. So as long as these stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, that's the name of the game. That's what's going to represent the most power moving forward. So just focus on healthy consolidations, focus on just chipping away and building those higher bases, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.